Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers, and today I thought we'd speak about UPSs. With all the storms that were going through the area this week and more expected tonight, it's important to make sure that your computers, your switches, your routers, that type of thing are all connected to a battery backup. And you've got two sides. You've got one that is just a surge side, and you've got the other side that is going to be battery and surge. So anything that needs to stay up and running, like your computers, switches and routers, should all be connected to the battery side. Anything that doesn't need to stay up and running can be connected just to the surge side. Now, if you've got a laser printer, don't connect that to your battery backup, because it can draw so much power it'll actually drain the battery and force the UPS to shut down. That'll cause your computer to shut down. So if you've got a laser printer, just connect it straight to the wall. So UPSs generally have a 3-year warranty, and they should be replaced about every 3 years. So if you've got a UPS that's 3 or more years old, it's time to replace it. One of the things that you can do, if it's got an LCD display, that'll normally tell you how long it's going to last with everything connected to it. If it's got software, it'll also tell you on the load how long it's expected to last. If it doesn't have an LCD, it may have software that you can go to your computer and see what the load is. The other thing you can do is simply disconnect the UPS from the wall and see how long it lasts before it shuts down. That'll give you a good indication of whether the UPS needs to be replaced or not. So if you are looking to protect your computers, you're looking to protect your network, you want to stay up and running when the power goes on and off, connect it to a UPS. If you've got any questions, give us a call, 281-647-9977.